Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda Goldwing, 1832cc flat six. This is the ultimate touring machine. This is the 30th anniversary edition model, which has many upgraded equipment on it. A lot of nice Kiryakin chrome accessories, the fog lamps, the road foot pegs. This bike is equipped with heated seats, electric grips, heated. It also has a CD player, AM/FM stereo, CB radio. Only 41,000 miles on this gorgeous 30th anniversary Goldwing. That's very low, barely broken in. Come by, make your Goldwing dreams come true. This gorgeous metallic blue Goldwing, priced at just $69.99. That's way below book. Checked out at the dealer here, ready to go. Don't wait, this one's not gonna be here long. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Purrs like a kitten. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.